What's up, guys? Now we're going to ValleMeet 2026. I'm having my boy Sig Moto with me, and these are my bikes. And in there we got his bikes. We're ready to go. Let's do some wheelies.
Inside it feels like I'm barely breathing. Feels like air is running out. Inside I'm stuck here staring at a ceiling.
Damn.
30 kilometers, like 5 hours. So
I'ma shoot him in his ass, I'll show him who the fuck. Where you niggas gonna learn? Project Pat, y'all up in this bitch.